if you double over the string about 4 inches and then wrap the 2 strings around a couple of fingers, like so, then take the end and put it through the circle and just simply pull, 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 nice and tight. And then you can put the loop over the peg or slat, or it might be a nail, depending on what your loom has. Pull the string all the way down to match the equivalent peg on the bottom of the loom. Now, a quick trick, put your finger on the peg after you've wrapped the string around it so it doesn't pop off, like that. And just keep going. Now, pull the string firmly as you go along, because you want the string to feel nice and tight. This is a lot of fingers and thumbs, but with practice it does get easier, I promise. And don't forget, you can pause the video, rewind it if you need to. Now, when you get to the end, pinch the last 2 strings together about 3 inches down. Right, don't be afraid, but take the loop off the peg. Now, do this whilst pulling, because you don't want the string to come off the bottom of the loom. Wrap it around your fingers and pop the end through the circle. Pull, pull, pull as tightly as you can, creating a loop. Then pop the loop over the peg or the slat or the nail, depending on what your loom has, and pull the loose string nice and tightly. Finished! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more craft tutorials.